if you want to create your secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy A36, so first of all, open up your settings. Now let's scroll down to our security and privacy tab. There it is, open it up. Now find your more security settings and find your secure folder. Open it up as well. Now let's press continue. Let's press continue as well and give your phone some time to create it. It takes somewhat around a couple minutes. Alright, now you have to set up a password for your secure folder or any kind of privacy. Now let's press done. So we have to choose our log type, PIN, password, pattern. We can also add up a biometrics and we can allow the reset with our Samsung account. So let's set up a PIN, for example. Now enter your PIN, press continue, use anyway. Once again, press OK. Now, if you want to allow reset with Samsung account, you shall press allow. If you don't, press don't allow. I will not. So press OK. And let's press next. So now we can add up any kind of applications to our secure folder, right? We can press plus. We can add more apps. For example, press add. Also, we can press here. We can add files, we can choose images, videos, audio, documents, my files. Let's add up some images, why not? Press done. You can move or copy them to your secure folder. And basically that's how you use it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.